So it looks like Asia's trying to dump before it closes off in the afternoon before London opens, but I won't really talk about high time frames here. We'll do that tomorrow in the live stream. But we are in a short as shared yesterday from about 23.62. Invalidation would be above this wick over here. We could tighten it down, but I'm going to keep it there for now. Targets ideally would be firstly around this 4 hour 200 EMA, basically around this block around 22.9, maybe 23K. And then the next target would be 4 hour 300 EMA, this blue one, and then this blue box. And ideally, if markets really goes down, then it would be in this, well, just around these swing lows. So yeah, over here. So this is what the market currently looks like. And yeah, not much to add. I would like to point out one difference in what I think is from 14 and 15 February to now, is that if we take off all the drawings, we can see on the 14th, we had a flat 4 hour 200 EMA. We reclaimed the trend and we popped back up. In this case, we're rejecting 4 hour 100 MA and we are rejecting the 4 hour trend right now. So price should come back to revisit this. Also, the moving averages are compressing more. So, you could easily see a ping pong to the 400 MA and then maybe we could see price move back up. The picture is more clear on the hourly. So, wow. Um, so I had shared this on Twitter and on Telegram. So we can see on this dump, so price formed a pretty nice banana. So banana is pretty much when your moving averages start to, flatten out, get in the right order. And so once your trend starts to move up, so price can just reclaim a trend, and then that's what it does. So that's what happened over here. But over here, we can see that prices are, moving averages are very, well, they're not compressed, they're not in the right order and the right shape, so they don't support a pump. So probably we see more chop. Um, I mean, if we look at the daily, right, we try to reclaim this range low over here, but then, well, it looks like we might be breaking down now. But if we look at the daily, we've swung these highs. So ideally, what we can see, or what I would hope to see, is either we run down here, somewhere around here, and then we come back up, maybe make a third drive here. 1, 2, 3. And then we go for a larger retrace before we, well, basically what I think now is, given how prices responded here, I think bulls need to do more work. I think we need to take out some liquidity from lower levels before we start an attack 25 and higher. If we even talk about this, this entire zone over here, I think we got to do more work. So ideally, we get to see something like this, but also play it level by level. For me, we get bullish. It's the same. We got to reclaim this. We got to reclaim 24.1. We could tighten it. We could tighten this now. We could tighten this to like this, right? So we got to reclaim 24K, 24.1K before we can target 25, 26K again. Still watching Monday rolls on intraday. So if we swing this, that could be scalp long setup. And if we deviate here, that could be scalp short setup. I still think ETH BTC looks okay, as I've shared with you, but I'm not going to talk about that now. ETH looks pretty similar to Bitcoin, so we'll skip that for now. I'll talk about Dixie. So on the high time frame on daily, this is what I'd be looking for Dixie. So if Dixie, I mean, right now Dixie is, it's in an uptrend. If we look at the monthly R size reset, monthly trend reset, we swept. May lows, we swept SFP January's lows, and we're moving up. So I'd expect us to take out January highs over here. And yeah, it's just a strong bullish reaction, but we are getting close to resistance. So this is ideally what we hope to see. And if we do this, we deviate this, and then we start to come back within the range, then I'll become quite a vocal bull at that point. And hopefully that is when Bitcoin goes up to 25 and higher. But for now, we've held this breaker, reclaiming for our trend. So yeah, hard to be bearish on Dixie for the week. Yeah, we'd also taken a one short last night from 0.022, but I kind of closed it at entry, and I think it could be, yeah, it's moving as we wanted to. So I basically closed right before this dump. But I guess I didn't have a good entry, so I just wanted to ensure that, I just didn't have the best entry. So I just closed it. Also because I'm not going to be on screen today because I'm gonna board a plane in a short while, so I won't be online. So yeah, just wanted to be safe. I didn't take this. So this was a plan I'd shared with you guys yesterday that I'd want to long this hourly breaker because it broken back within this large range, but then I decided against it because I just wasn't sure of the market. Yeah, everything else we'll take a look later, but for now, yeah, Bitcoin is the one. We're short here. First target for me is around here. Second target is around here. Third target would be around here. I might leave 10-15% for somewhere around here. And yeah, thank you. And we'll do a live stream tomorrow. So I'll ask you guys at the time. And yeah, see you guys soon. Bye bye.